Hi guys, how to download Roblox on PC. Now open your web browser, Chrome or Edge works fine, and go to roblox.com, then log into your account. Don't skip login or the play button won't work. Browse the games list, pick any game you like, and click the large green play button. This is where most new players get stuck, so pay attention. Since Roblox isn't on your computer yet, a pop-up will appear. Click download and install Roblox to save the setup file. Here's the mistake to avoid. Don't click remind me later or nothing will happen. Open the file you just downloaded to begin installation. Wait for it to finish. It usually takes less than a minute. Then click OK when it says the installation was successful. Go back to the Roblox website and click the play button again. When your browser asks for permission, select Open Roblox. Keep watching because the game will launch automatically after this. That's it. You're in. Hit subscribe for more quick gaming setup guides and comment your favorite Roblox game below.